Hello, this is Dr. John Guyman here at Gateway to Wellness Chiropractic in Cedar Park, Texas. And as I've been out in the public and also doing different workshops at different businesses, I've been hearing a question. I want to answer a question of, are chiropractic adjustments safe? And with this, no health profession is 100% safe, but chiropractic has a long history of being very safe and effective. And actually, one easy way to find out how safe your doctor is by checking to see what he has to pay in his malpractice insurance. And that malpractice insurance, usually the average doctor pays between $5,000 to $34,000 depending on specialty. Mine runs just under $1,400. So that's really the insurance's way of telling me you're of this much risk to us. And even in our practice, to make it a little more safe and effective, we actually use different instruments so we don't have to do any twisting or popping in the spine, making it so it can be very safe and very effective on getting you back to your life. And once again, this is Dr. John at Gateway to Wellness Chiropractic. If you have any questions or comments, leave those below and we'll be glad to answer those for you. Every Wednesday we'll be answering these, and just leave those there and have a healthy, happy day.